back to my channel. Today I want to do a DIY Easter basket. So this is what I got, and these are from Family Dollar. As you all may know, I love shopping there. Saves money and it's cheap. So yeah, first thing I got there was this super cute Easter basket, and it has little chickies on there, and yeah, it's pink, so thought that was cute. And I got the grass for it, which was cute because they're pretty cheap there if you don't want to go to Walmart or any other place you guys have. I also got these little notebooks, memo pads, and they have a rabbit, a cupcake, a little chick, and a little tiger. So I thought these were cute. Yeah. I also got these little pencils. They have little cute eggs on there and random colors. I also got this pack of Easter glasses, bunny glasses. So I thought this would be super cute to put in the baskets. I also have this little egg. It says Happy Easter, so I thought that was super cute with the egg on top. I also got this Easter bunny, which I thought was cute. Has little patterns right there. So yes, these are cute. And for the other things I have is this mini lollipops with the rabbit, and it's like a 3-piece. It has stickers, like ring pops. So I thought that was super cute. Also, I got these cute, the candy duckies, chicks, duckies, and bunnies in there. So that was super cute. The last thing I got was these Paw Patrol gummies, which they have gummies and stickers in there also. So that was super cute. And yeah, let's get started. For this, we will be using this grass, this purple grass. We'll just be stuffing some in there, like maybe a lot, enough that you guys would want, however much you want to fill it with. This other basket would be super cute to use also, and I might just use the rest for it. So yeah. And here also, just take that out of this, put it in there, but I will be using that for later. For this one, I would be using the Easter bunny and putting it right in here, wherever you would like to place them. And for this one, I didn't have open, so I'm gonna bite it open. And I will be using this cute teal color. So yeah, thought this was cute. And we'll be setting this like right here so the ears could show. We'll be putting this in there like that. Setting up this little Easter egg. However you prefer to sit them and rearrange them is how you would want to do it. The egg, I would just set right here. The little egg and the ears. And we will be adding a pencil to that. And for this, we'll be adding a cute little Easter notebook. So I thought this was super cute in there as well. And last but not least is these cute Easter candy ducks. And I would just put it right there. So yeah, that's what I got for my Easter basket. It includes these, this thing, and these little pencils. So I just thought that would be a fun little DIY for Easter gift baskets, or for your child, or yeah, for your children. They would be super fun and excited to get these for Easter and walk around with these cute, adorable glasses on. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you like, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.